The COVID-19 pandemic situation has posed several changes in the education sector. One among them being how to conduct exams during this crisis. For some students, taking an online exam is a new thing, or it can be a baffling experience. So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Be Creative and Artistic. Want to ace your online exams? Then I'm going to share with you 8 awesome and very effective tips to tackle your exams. So let's get started. Number 1. Read and understand your online test guidelines. Don't wait till the last minute to read the instructions. First of all, be sure you can answer these questions as fast as possible. Number 1. Do you have to take your exams at a specific time? Or can you start any time that day? If you know the answer, then well done. Number 2. How much time will you have to complete your online test? Is it 1 hour, 2 hours, or half an hour? If you know the answer, then great. Number 3. What kinds of questions will your teacher use on the exam? Is it like multiple choice, fill in the blanks, short answers, or essay? These questions must be cleared before the exam. Tip number 2. Test preparation. Studying the day before your test or studying the last minute with lots of stress and anxiety, you may get panic regarding what to study, what to do, how to study. No. So start your exam preparation a few weeks before your exam timetable. Write down how many exams you have, how many chapters you have to finish, and the days you have left, etc. Afterwards, organize your study habits accordingly. Work as hard as you can. Study hard and at the end, surprise others. You can do it. Tip number 3. Check your computer and the internet speed. Check and recheck that your computer, phone or laptop is working properly before your scheduled online test. Make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is good and working properly. Tip number 4. Choose the location wisely. Choose a quiet place for your online exams. Close the door and windows to avoid distractions. Turn off your television, email or other notifications or keep them in silent mode. Let your family members and your naughty or cute siblings know that you are giving an online test and ask them not to interrupt you during the exam. Number 5. Gather all that you need to take the test. If you can have materials such as books, water bottle, or writing implements with you, be sure that they are set to go. Tip number 6. Take a deep breath. Once you're logged in, take a moment, relax, and get focused. Tip number 7. Technical problems, don't panic. But do contact your teacher or instructor immediately, detailing the exact problem that occurred. If you can take a screenshot, that is helpful as well. Number 8. Check your work before you submit it. Ensure that every answer is complete as well as your spelling and grammar. And submit. Dear friends, I wish you all the very best for your exams. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, share this video with your friends, help each other, and for more study related and creative tips, subscribe to